easy go.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be fixing my dirty FRS interior. As you guys can tell, I haven't cleaned it for over, I want to say like 5-6 months. I haven't cleaned the car. It's because I've been adulting and I really haven't gotten my chance to get around it, so I'm sorry. So I wanted to show you guys inside the car before anything. I recently just took that out of the bottom of my chair, so that was like tucked in. I think this is a llama. I got this in Miami the other month, so I don't know why that's under my seat, but I found the llama. I have a lot of miscellaneous things. I have my coilovers, my jumper cables, some jackets, a bunch of newspapers. My old Macbeth plates are here. Oh wow, I have my old Macbeth plates from when I lived in New York. A bunch of Starbucks, miscellaneous receipts, and just a bunch of wires everywhere. So I'm gonna get to cleaning all of this, and yeah. So one of the things that I like to do is grab a garbage bag. That way I can take everything out of my car and sort through everything later. I know I have a lot of junk in there, but most of it is trash. I know that by just looking at everything. It's mostly receipts and magazines that I haven't really bothered to touch in a couple of months. So I'm just throw all of that out, and anything that is important, I'm just gonna sort through it later. Oh wow, this is when I went to Tucson Raceway with Sarah. Hi Sarah, if you're watching this video, I still have this. I'm actually gonna keep that. I'll put it in my glove box right in there so I never lose it. Ew, what is that? Honestly, I have no idea what that is. My guess is that maybe something spilled from my cup holder onto my seat, but that's gross. That looks like someone took a poopy on my chair. Ew, 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 ew. This is a really good tip when you want to take out things from corners that you can't reach. Like, this is fascinating. Like, do you see all the dirt that's in that chair? I have this home steamer. I don't have a car steamer, so I'm going to be using this instead. Pretty much, I'm going to steam the seat to get any of the particles that are inside the chair loosened up before I shampoo it. And yeah. So, we're just going to do that. So now that we steamed the whole entire chair, I'm gonna go in with this Turtle Wax Interior One multi-purpose cleaner and stain remover. So this is pretty much going to be used in my chairs, on my carpets, and we'll see how it works. Like, now that's what I call clean. Clean. There is absolutely no more of that chocolate or whatever stain that was in there. So that stain is no longer in there. This product did an amazing job combined with the steamer. I'm actually pretty impressed. So as you guys can see, my dash, everything is extremely dirty as well. Well, I know how to clean that part. We're gonna be using some 360 Foam All, and this is their interior spray. I'm excited to use it again because I know I did in the summer. As you can tell, this worked really well in my interior. If you guys don't know them, I'm gonna leave a link down below where you guys can purchase their products. So here's a little tip. When you go to the Dollar Tree, you're gonna find a bag of these little guys. I believe this is meant for painting, but the reason why I'm going to be using this is to spray a little bit of the detailer that I'm using for the inside of my car. I'm going to spray a little bit on it, and then I'm going to grab this, and it's going to be easy for me to clean out my vents. You see? Saves me the hassle of having to stick my fingers in there with a microfiber, and it's much more efficient and it cleans it a lot better. So you can also use these for the crevices inside your car. Use them like so. Yeah, there you go. You see? Picked up some dirt and cleaned while it was at it. So there you go. After a whole 1.5 years of driving it, I'm assuming this is just all my foundation that I've had in my hands, and it's been embedded inside of the steering wheel. I'm gonna see if I can take this off today by scrubbing it. So I'm just gonna take the steamer and I'm gonna steam the steering wheel. And I'm gonna use the little brush and see if that helps. It's actually taking off some of the dirt. Look at that. Now I'm going to spray a little bit of the cleaner. Wow, guys, it's actually taking it off. What? Look at how different it is right here compared to all around here. That's incredible. Holy cow. I'm gonna do the whole steering wheel and I'm gonna show you the results. Like, look, it's all over the steering wheel. It's so gross. So if there's one thing that I'm gonna do in the FRS is keep that bucket there. That's gonna be my trash bucket. So whenever I have something that I want to throw away, I'm gonna put it inside that bucket. But overall, guys, look how clean! Oh my god, everything is nice and tidy. All the chairs are nice and cleaned. I cleaned the steering wheel. It no longer has that ugly foundation mark. I also cleaned the center console. I cleaned my mirrors off. I'm getting a little bit of a stuffy nose from being out here and cleaning the car in the cold. So I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.